Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. Voting begins for elections on the top Senate slots. The voting process for electing Senate chairman and deputy chairman has begun after the newly elected senators take oaths. Newly elected senators take oath. Presiding officer Syed Muzaffar Hussain Shah has administered the oath to the newly elected senator for the next 6 years. Defense lawyers to cross-examine NAB witness in LNG reference. The Accountability Court in Islamabad has summoned the defense lawyers in the liquefied natural gas reference against former Premier Shahid Khan Abbasi and others. 7,582 elderly citizens inoculated against coronavirus in Punjab. As many as 7,582 elderly citizens have been administered the first shot of COVID-19 vaccine since the second phase of countrywide coronavirus vaccination kicked off earlier this week. ADDL SHO Jamrood seriously injured in firing. Additional station house officer Jamrood police was seriously injured when unidentified armed assailant fired at him in Mulano village of Jamrood Tehsil in Khyber district. Boxing coach arrested over charges of raping 14-year-old girl in Mumbai. Police say that incident took place on Sunday when the suspect forced her student, took her to a club and threatened her that she would lose her boxing career if she told anyone about this attack. Shops, restaurants sealed over SOP's violation. The district administration sealed 3 shops, 2 restaurants and imposed a fine of 18,000 rupees over violation of coronavirus-related standard operating procedures. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.